Hello, aspiring coders. Welcome back to Aadharshila. As we approach the end of 2023, I want to share some valuable insights on how to kickstart your coding journey in 2024. Whether you are a beginner or looking to level up your skills, these 5 changes in your routine will pave the way for success. So, let's dive in. Tip 1. Embrace a growth mindset. The world of coding is ever evolving, and it's crucial to cultivate a growth mindset. Understand that learning to code is a journey, not a destination. Embrace challenges, view failures as opportunities to learn, and celebrate your successes, no matter how small. This positive mindset will keep you motivated and resilient throughout your coding adventure. Tip 2. Diversify your learning path. Gone are the days when mastering one programming language was sufficient. In 2024, aim to diversify your skill set. Explore different programming languages, frameworks, and technologies. Whether it's Python, JavaScript, or even emerging languages, exposing yourself to diverse tools will make you a versatile and adaptive coder. Tip 3. Engage in practical projects. Theory is essential, but the real magic happens when you apply what you've learned to practical projects. Start small, maybe with a personal website, a simple app, or a coding challenge. Hands-on experience not only reinforces your knowledge but also boosts your problem-solving skills, a must-have for any coder. Tip 4. Stay connected with the coding community. Building a community around you is a game changer. Connect with fellow coders, join forums, participate in coding events, and leverage social media platforms. Engaging with the coding community not only provides support but also opens doors to collaboration, networking, and exposure to new ideas. Tip 5. Regularly update your learning plan. Technology is dynamic, and so should be your learning plan. Regularly assess your goals, update your learning path, and stay informed about industry trends. Following a flexible and up-to-date learning plan ensures that you're always on the cutting edge of technology. There you have it, my fellow coders. As we step into 2024, remember that coding is not just about languages and algorithms, it's about continuous learning, adaptability, and a supportive community. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more coding insights, and share your thoughts in the comments. Happy coding!